students, the next experiment what we are going to see now is air wedge. Okay, for that we need sodium vapor lamp, okay, and travelling microscope. The same travelling microscope we will be using for non-uniform bending also. Okay, and then two optically placed glass plate. One end of the glass plate it is contact using rubber band, and other end we need to place a thin wire. Okay, it should be placed like this. When the light fall on the glass plate, we will be getting fringes. First, what you need to do is, in this travelling microscope, the crosswire will be there. Any one fringe should be fixed exactly at the vertical crosswire. After fixing exactly at one fringe, you need to note down the reading in the horizontal scale. For non-uniform bending, we have noted down the reading in the vertical scale, but for this air wedge, we are going to note down the reading in the horizontal scale. Okay, this is our main scale and this is your vernier scale. Okay, for that nth fringe, you need to note down the reading in your manual. Okay, in the corresponding column, first note down nth fringe, main scale and vernier scale reading. After noting down nth fringe, you need to move this in the clockwise direction. Okay, that is 5 rotation you need to give such that n plus 1 fringe, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4 and n plus 5 the fringes will move, and the 5th fringe should be in coincidence with the crosswire, vertical crosswire. Again for n plus 5th fringe the reading should be noted down in the horizontal scale. In the similar way, you need to take the reading up to n plus 15. Okay. After n plus 5, n plus 10, n plus 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Up to 50, you need to note down the reading. Okay. After completing this, there is another tabular column, that is second tabular column. In that, what we are going to find out is the length, the distance between the thin wire and the rubber band, that we are going to find out using that second tabular column. For that, first you need to note down the reading of rubber band. Release this travelling microscope screw. Okay, note down the rubber band reading. How to note down the rubber band reading? The rubber band should be exactly coinciding with the mid of the vertical crosswire. Okay, so you need to note down the main scale reading and the vernier scale coincidence. After noting down the rubber band reading, okay, slowly you move at the other side. Okay, the thin wire will be displayed there. The vertical crosswire, again the thin wire should be coinciding. Okay, that particular place you need to note down the main scale reading and vertical scale reading. Now, if you subtract these two values, what you are going to get is L. Okay, therefore, by substituting the wavelength of yellow light and then length, and from the first tabular column you are going to get the width of one fringe, that is beta. By substituting all the values, you will be determining the thickness of the thin wire given. Thank you.